Sonam, just allow me to ask you one more question. Since you have been always supported the cause for women, हम लोग आज भी देख रहे हैं कि 8 दिन रह गए हैं 16 दिसंबर के, लेकिन अभी भी क्राइम अगेंस्ट वुमेन होता है. जैसे दिल्ली में अभी एक कैब के अंदर a woman was assaulted.
Yes.
So what's your reaction कि जो एक authorized cabs होते हैं उसमें भी women safe नहीं है अब?
ऑनेस्टली ऑब्वियसली जो हुआ है वो बहुत ही खराब और भयंकर, इट्स an awful thing to have happened 150%, and women are just generally not safe. Bombay में we have a little bit of, we are not as bad as they are off in Delhi. I know that क्योंकि on Saturday night I was out and I had taken a cab back home. I had taken an Uber back home and I reached home safe. But honestly, it's not the fault of the cab companies or the cabs or anything. It's the fault of the government in a lot of ways, according to me, because they've given a clarification, a character certificate, right, to the cab driver, if I'm not mistaken. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. So the punishment and the rules have to be more stringent from the government side. Are you saying that if a rape takes place in a public transport vehicle, they're going to ban public transport? So I think it works either way. It's the niyat insan ki change honi chahiye. You can't ban things saying that we have to ban this, we have to ban that. लड़कियों को छोटे कपड़े पहनने में भी बैन कर लो कि ये कपड़े मत पहनो ऐसे, मतलब दे आर सेइंग कि ये लड़की सो क्यों गई कैब में. यू नो व्हेन द निर्भया थिंग हैपन कि अरे व्हाई डिड शी गो फॉर अ लेट नाइट मूवी, वो बस में क्यों चली गई, व्हाई डिड शी गो टू अ प्राइवेट बस. व्हाई वी इवन आस्किंग दीज क्वेश्चंस? It's that why is a man acting like this? That is the question that needs to be asked. Not that it happened in an Uber cab. It's like, why was a man like this? It's how we bring up our children. It's how we bring up our men in our country. That's the question that we should be asking. We are protesting against the wrong thing. We should be making people aware of being, we should be making, first of all, mothers need to bring up their men in a certain way कि ये तेरा लाडला है पर ये लाडला भी पागल हो सकता है. And do not make him into this, put him up on a pedestal. He needs to learn from a young age that you need to treat a woman right. And a woman is not to be treated like an object and not to be treated badly just because she's a woman. So that needs to be taught to the child since a young age. It's the way that the men in our country have been brought up. That is what is wrong with the country. It has nothing to do with anything else. According to me, that is the basic issue. So when we solve that issue, all these things will not happen. So by banning things, by, you know, going after certain things, that, yeah, to a certain extent, there will be a little bit of safety that, you know, we're not going in a cab. But how long can we keep doing that? That means we don't go for late night movies, we don't go to a pub, we don't have late nights. You know, I don't know, there's a lot of issues, and this is a very superficial way of trying to solve something. There is a deep-rooted cause for it, and that needs to be solved first before we say, ban Uber, ban buses, ban tinted glasses, we're not allowed to put tints on a vehicles. Okay. Now, for someone like me, I'm traveling in a vehicle, and there are men most of the time just staring into my car all the time. So that's okay. When men are looking at me with a dirty gaze, that's fine. That tinted glass actually saves me from that. So there are pros and cons to everything. That's all I'm trying to say. So it's not about making rules and having rules and banning things and doing that and doing this. It's about trying to change the nature of the way Indian men think. I think that's the basic issue.